Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Path of Exile. To begin your epic journey, first download the free-to-play game client, available on platforms like Steam. Next, choose a league, such as Standard or the current Challenge League, which offers fresh mechanics. You'll then select one of 7 starting classes, each with 3 powerful ascendancy specializations. Finally, complete the initial tutorial area to grasp the fundamental movement and combat controls before venturing into Reclast. As you progress, you'll delve into the massive passive skill tree, featuring over 1,300 unique nodes to customize your character. Your abilities come from active skill gems, which you can link with various support gems in your equipment for powerful combinations. Defeating monsters and completing quests grants experience, allowing you to level up and allocate more skill points. Always be on the lookout for rare and unique items to significantly enhance your build. Path of Exile's economy is distinct, relying entirely on a bartering system rather than traditional gold currency. Common crafting currencies, like Orbs of Alteration and Chaos Orbs, are essential for modifying your gear. You can trade these and other valuable items with fellow players in town or through the official trade website. Remember to identify rare items to uncover their random modifiers and determine their potential worth in the market. Once you complete the main story, the true endgame begins with the Atlas of Worlds, a vast map system containing over 100 unique maps to explore. You can engage in diverse endgame activities such as Delve, Betrayal, and Blight for additional challenges and rewards. Participating in new challenge leagues offers fresh mechanics and exclusive items. Experiment with different build archetypes to discover your favorite playstyle and conquer the toughest content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.